Well, hello, everybody. Hello, fellow distributors. And I am so excited to bring this training to you. I'm going to bring a bunch of trainings, but one of the ones I wanted to come out with, as I've been so involved in the last few months with all the wonderful things that Prife is, right? So I wanted to kind of give you guys some food for thought on why Prife, why now? And, I've been in this industry 38 years and I've seen everything. I've got the chance to see, what works, what not work, doesn't work. I've got to see a business and a company go massive globally, but nothing like what we have right now with Price. So I'm so honored to be working with all of you and so excited to share why I believe that Price is the most amazing opportunity right now. So the timing is perfect, number one, for this frequency message. This talk of frequency is resonating with people. We know that in the medical space or the wellness space that there's this medical side and then there's this whole other proactive kind of holistic side. And this idea of frequency is a conversation that a lot of people are having right now, or they're more open to, because we know what the medical side kind of is. And obviously, if you're dealing with an issue that you need that medical attention, obviously get it. But what happens is, and what we're discovering, there are many ways that you actually can receive benefits and get well using this holistic approach, right? So the topic of frequency now is kind of like at the forefront of everything because we know that everything is frequency, everything's vibration, and everything is energy. And when you can shift these frequencies or allow frequencies to enter your environment, then wonderful things can happen. Kind of like walking out with nature with your shoes off. There are energies and frequencies that the earth has been known scientifically to help people get well, shift their energy, shift their mind, their spirit. And in doing so, obviously help their physical bodies as well. So this frequency message is timing, is perfect timing. Now, as from a product standpoint, again, 38 years, I've never seen in my years of being in the wellness space anything that resembles the technology that we have here with Prife. The technology in these wands, these devices are absolutely amazing. I mean, to figure out like this pro device right here, all the good things that can happen by using this on a daily basis, being proactive with your wellness. I mean, every single day doing something, allowing those cells to do what they need to do, allowing your body to intuitively do what it needs to do. We have cutting edge products, whether it be our ion shields, our Seven Wonders water bottle, or the iTerra Bio, which is amazing. If you don't have the iTerra Bio, please make sure that you put that on your things to have in your home as far as appliances are concerned, because it will change your life. It's so amazing. So we have products that are so different that when you talk about frequency, it's a very easy conversation to talk about frequency and then introduce one of the amazing products. And obviously our flagship product is the wand, and it's the way to get in. And then once you're in, you can introduce our amazing products as well. From a positioning standpoint, again, the timing is absolutely perfect. We are positioned in a really interesting ocean, let's call it. I've heard the BOD, the board of directors, talk about this red ocean and blue ocean. I want to kind of share it with you because right now in this red ocean, there's a lot of people competing in this market, right? In a market where things are red. It's you have a product and you have all money from businesses all being directed towards a specific group of people, and there's a lot of people in it, and everybody's going after that share of that market. And that's kind of what's happening over there, right? They're all locked into wellness products and lotions and potions and other things. And then they have this thing called the blue ocean, which is where Prife is. Prife's in this thing called the blue ocean. We're creating a space that is new. We're creating a market and a conversation that is new and fresh, creating a new demand with what we're doing, right? So in this space, that blue ocean is more open, and your message, and this is what's key, your message can actually penetrate. And there's no competition here. There's irrelevant competition because no one is talking about terahertz. No one is talking about the simplicity of a simple device. And so this is the ocean that we want to play in, is in this blue ocean where we get to be the ones with the message and the voice and the opportunity to serve all of these other people that know nothing about it. And I love that versus being way over in the red and everybody's just getting eaten alive and the messages, no one gets to hear the message because everybody's over there. And this is where a lot of big businesses spend a ton of money marketing to these types of people. And that's why, usually there's one or two in there that are actually doing anything. We want to make sure that we're the fresh voice, the ones that people go, really, tell me more. Now, the timing for this, obviously, as we talked in the beginning, the timing is amazing because there's this big shift, let's say the shift in consciousness where people are saying, look, what are my options? I've got this challenge going on with me. And my option is to go back to things and do things the old way. We all know the old way. Maybe it's, medication or surgery or things like that. And again, if you need something like that, then obviously that's where you need to go. But we have discovered, and it's been proven scientifically and over a period of time, obviously, that there's another way to allow your body over a period of time to get well. So the timing for what we're doing in a frequency conversation with a device that's so simple, coming out of the last 3 years, it is the calming before the storm, right? It's the calming before the goodness that's about to happen. And again, I've seen this only one other time in my career, and what happened after that was simply amazing. But I feel this opportunity at this time with this product is completely going to disrupt the wellness industry. And for that, you're in the right place at the right time, again, with the right people. One of the things I was impressed with, I got a chance to fly out to Malaysia, my wife and I got to sit down with the board of directors and got to meet everybody involved. And from everything from the headquarters to all the employees, but again, very important, the leadership is important to me. It's important to you as well. Who are the people that are directing, the flow of the energy, and to sit with them and hear from their hearts, to hear their experience. There's probably well over 200 years, you guys, combined of experience with the leadership in this company. That's a lot of leadership in the direct sales space. That's a lot of leadership in the wellness space, the system space, the IT space. We have a lot of leadership. And for that, I'm very, very, very excited. This is not, even though it's a startup company, it doesn't feel like a startup company because of all the things that are in place already. And it's going to get better. It's going to get better. We're going to have more training. We're going to have more events. We're going to have more growth because of those things. And again, the leadership, absolutely love it. So much respect for all the BOD, for all the people that have laid down the foundation ahead of all of us to make sure that this company at this time will be the company that people will look back and go, wow, what an amazing story that Prife created. And more importantly, the millions of lives that were impacted because of the leadership. Now, what I love about what we're doing from a timing perspective is the personal growth. If you were to go back and ask me many, many years ago, this industry actually kind of saved my life. I kind of grew up in a kind of an interesting childhood, wasn't the best of childhoods. And this was an opportunity, this industry was an opportunity for me to personally grow, to learn how to speak in front of people, to learn how to train people, to learn how to build teams, to learn how to build systems, to all these things. This was my platform to do all that. Some of the greatest teachers in my life, mentors, I've discovered on my path in this space. So from a personal growth standpoint, let's not forget that this is the key, because as you grow, so will your income, so will your team. And so it's kind of interesting how they are correlated, or they are frequency matched. And when that matches, as you grow, then all of a sudden everything around you starts to grow. So I encourage all of you from a personal growth standpoint to stay plugged in, read books, follow your teachers, follow your mentors, follow people that are moving and grooving, follow those that are having success. Find out what they're doing. Grow as a person. Grow as a person. I've seen people that never used to like to speak in front of the public, and through this industry, you've watched these people blossom into these amazing speakers. So if that's one of your goals, maybe you'd like to do that, then here's an amazing platform for you to do that. We're going to have amazing training in this company. We already do, but it's going to get better. And again, as you earn, it's all relevant to how much you've learned, right? So you're going to learn as you earn. and you're going to earn as you learn. So they're correlated. So personal growth, embrace it, because this is, for me, this is what really has made me truly appreciate the industry that we're in, working with leaders, working with people, and allowing myself to grow. We want you to stay tuned in. We want you to stay plugged in. We're going to be doing Zoom calls. We have Zoom calls from the corporate. We're going to have Zoom calls here in North America. There's Zoom calls you can plug in all over, but stay connected. If you're new or if you've been around a while, we want to make sure that you plug in at least weekly to understand what's going on. There's so many enhancements that are coming. There could be a new product that's coming down the pike. There could be something, a new promotion, but stay plugged in. And this is how you grow. This is what help you with your personal growth. Make your business a priority. Okay. Some people just do it part-time, and that's okay. Some people do it very little time, and that's okay. Some people do it full-time. But you want to make sure that you stay tuned in, plugged in. We're going to make sure we have a calendar of events for you to plug into, to get the answers so that you can stay connected to the community. Again, another reason why Prife now is because this product is simple. This is what I love about this. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. You don't have to know everything about terahertz frequency. You don't have to understand where it came from. You don't know how it works, how the crystal tube does this and that, 3-in-1. You don't have to know any of that. You just have to put a smile on your face and turn the device on, follow a very simple protocol, drink the water, and it is simple to do. And what's crazy about this is I've done so many like wand demonstrations that I'll hand it to my person, and all of a sudden they take the wand from me and they start intuitively working on an area, right? It's a very intuitive device, and just like your body's intuitive, it knows what it wants. So simple to use, a child can use it, and it's safe, which is what I really enjoy. We have a product that everyone wins. You just got to turn it on. You just got to turn it on. And then we have this opportunity. Now we have a business opportunity. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We have that. But on a much deeper level, we have the opportunity to serve, not only serve ourselves to become the best version of self, to serve our families, to serve our communities, but to serve others. And this is what I'm really after. This is where my heart is at. That the checks from the company, wonderful, they're great. But it's the checks from the heart that I truly embrace. It's after 38 years, the thing that still keeps me waking up in the morning is, whose life can I go enrich by this device? An opportunity to serve. And so let's not forget that as we're building our empire. Let's not forget our opportunity that we actually are serving ourselves first. We have to be a little selfish, make sure that we're good. We serve our families and those that we care about. And if we really want to, we can go out there and serve others. And there's so many ways you can do that. Again, with the expansion and the timing of where we're at right now, one thing that I absolutely love when I came on just a few months ago was the fact that we're growing every single day, not in just one country, not in two, but in over 50 countries, 55 countries we are, and we're expanding with the idea of being in 100 countries by the end of 2023. Wow, when that happens, everywhere you go, you can actually serve someone. Everywhere you go, everywhere in the country, everywhere in the world, you have an opportunity to help someone. And that's what I really, really love, because the mission of this company is to get this device, get this terahertz conversation as a household topic for people. Get it in every home in the world. And your best version of you is waiting. It's waiting. Use this device every single day. You drink the water. And in doing so, love and honor yourself, right? Every day, love and honor yourself. Whatever's going on in the outside world, take a few minutes, drink the water, sit, and let this device get your mind, body, and spirit realigned, reconnected, rejuvenated, whatever it needs, and then go out there and become the best version of yourself. Every single day, we have an opportunity. Every single day, we have an opportunity to get better. Every single day, we have an opportunity to take our health from wherever it is right now to the next level, to take our frequency, wherever it is right now, to the next level. And if everything is frequency and everything is vibration and everything is energy, every day by using this device with this amazing company at this perfect time in this beautiful blue ocean of goodness, where we are the pioneers that are pioneering an amazing conversation that truly is going to bring wellness to the world, guess what? Everybody wins. Everybody wins here. And I'm so excited to be part of it with you, part of this journey with you. And I encourage you to go out there and see what's possible with your own wellness. Timing is right, the company is right, the product is right, and I know you are ready to go. So can't wait to hear your story. We'll see you on stage somewhere across the country. Until then, go out there and have a beautiful, beautiful day.